Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm having water here guys. Cold water. Because Philip working in the field, I bet he needs water. So let's go there guys. It's hot here. Almost 9 o'clock. Very hot as you can see the shade. Because he said that he will pulling the weeds and the beans since last night it rained and the other day too we have rain, so the weeds are growing fast. So I'm pretty sure he's still there. Might be Lando too. I can see there. Yeah, that's Lando. They might thirsty now. Before I fed the pig. Asa Kuya Lan? Inom kag tubig? I'm asking him, he wanna drink water? He said he drink water. They're cleaning here. Where is Philip? Riley,
Yeah.
I have water for you.
Wow, man.
You're soaking wet. Out. Oh, my hands numb. Okay. So clean now.
Well, it's the time to do it after a rain because the ground is soft and you can pull them roots up. But, wow, I got to get down on my hands and knees. Ooh, just mud. But looking good.
It is
I
close.
did all that already.
Maybe I can pick up some beans too.
Yeah. And then clean the wall here. At least get it cut
Yeah,
down
I can
a bit.
see that. Clean.
But, yeah, you got some beans laying on the ground here. And now with another rain, you're going to see a lot of production again.
It might rain again.
Well, good. I hope it does. It would be nice to start the rainy season instead of waiting to November.
Set this one in the shade. Here. Wow, the corn. The corn so lovely to look at. Wow, very nice corn. After I pollinate, they're looking good. Yeah. Philip water every day. Twice a day you water the corn?
What?
You water the corn twice a day?
No, probably maybe every other day.
Oh, I see. I get some okra there.
You get quite a few cubes?
Yeah, not a lot. I'll be back later because I need to feed the pig first. Pick up beans.
Yeah, well, we're just about done here. We'll be down.
Very nice and clean. Look at the corn Philip here, guys. Looks so good. Very healthy. Wow. Soon. Nice. Nice big. Corn. Wow, I love your corn, Daile. I can.
It tastes good too.
Really?
Even at the young stuff. When I boiled the beans yesterday, I put both ears in there.
Wow.
Oh yeah, it's really young and juicy right now.
Here, oh, so big. Can't wait.
Yeah, there's some nice looking ears there.
Look. Here too.
Oh, all these.
But they are not, maybe they are not ready yet.
Yeah, here's some younger ones. Oh, they'll get there now. Another rain.
Yeah.
That's just, wow, good time for the rain.
So lovely. See our dirt here, guys. This is where I used to plant the seedlings. Seeds. Very nice. Dark. This is the one that Philip collects sawdust. 6 bags. So many. Yeah. 6 bags of sawdust from the tree that we make lumber. That's good for fertilizer. Nice. We have coming a banana here. The good size banana. I miss banana. I wish it rained more. Okay, Pagsy. Chicken so noisy. Nice, lovely entrance gate. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching again. And please follow my video daily. to up. There are some update every day on my video. And please subscribe too. I'll be back later, guys. Thanks for watching again.